Hi friends, today it's a breakfast recipe, calcium and protein rich Ragi Moong Dosa. For that I'm taking half cup of green moong and half cup of ragi. Pour water and wash it thoroughly several times. And now to the washed ragi and moong we'll add water and allow it to soak for 6 to 8 hours. After soaking it, we'll grind it in a mixer grinder. That's one brown chana in there. We have to take water just to the level of the ragi and moong. And into this we'll add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and half teaspoon of pepper and some curry leaves and a small piece of ginger, and we'll grind it into a paste. Now we'll add some more water and grind it into a fine paste. Now the batter is ready. Into this we'll add salt to taste and rinse the grinder jar with some water. This should be the consistency of the dosa batter. Now let us make the dosas. For that I've taken a cast iron tawa or the dosa color. Apply gingerly oil. After the tawa turns hot, we'll pour the dosa batter. This is a very healthy dosa with the goodness of ragi and moong, and also it doesn't need fermentation. We have to just soak it for 6 to 8 hours and grind, and then we can make the dosas. Drizzling some ghee. With this measure, we can make about 8 to 9 dosas. Dosas are ready. We had it with peanut chutney and it tasted delicious. Thank you for watching.